For the record, ay alam doon nila that in the Senate, we have been consistent in supplementing and adding additional budget for the AFP modernization in the past years. Tayo po ang nagdadagdag. And I think our chair of the Committee on Finance would agree na ito po ay good amendments and good insertions. Napakasama na kasi, Mr. Chair, ng ibig sabihin ng insertion ngayon. Pero po, I am proud and I'm sure that you are all equally proud that these amendments and insertions that we did for the armed forces of the Philippines and the Department of National Defense, titindigan po natin to. These are good amendments at kailangan po ng ating pong armed forces para po patuloy na paproteksyonan ang ating teritoryo, ang ating pong soberenya. Nga pasensya na po kung maglalabas ako ng konting sa manloob pag naririnig ko yung daang bilyon-bilyon na nalustay lang, yung 5 billion worth of private jets, sayang. Kalahati na nun din, AFP modernization natin yun. Magkano ba yung F-16 natin or multi-role fighter na inaasam-asam, Gripen? Ilan lang yun? Sana. Kung nagamit, nasana. We have the modernized Air Force, Navy already to protect our territory, Mr. Chair.